Engineering gadgets. Fuel injector versus carburetor. What is fuel injector? What is carburetor? Uses. Advantages and disadvantage. What is fuel injector? A fuel injector is a device for atomizing and injecting fuel into an internal combustion engine. The injector atomizes the fuel and forces it directly into the combustion chamber at the precise point in the combustion cycle. The term fuel injection is vague and comprises various distinct systems with fundamentally different functional principles. The only thing all fuel injection systems have in common is the absence of carburation. There are two main functional principles of mixture formation systems for internal combustion engines: internal and external. A fuel injection system that uses external mixture formation is called a manifold injection system. There exist two types of manifold injection systems: multi-point, or port, and single-point, or throttle body, injection. Internal mixture formation systems can be separated into several different varieties of direct and indirect injection, the most common being the common rail injection, a variety of direct injection. The term electronic fuel injection refers to any fuel injection system controlled by an engine control unit. How it works. The fuel injector atomizes the fuel and forces it into the combustion chamber at the right time. The fuel injector system uses electronics to adjust the air-to-fuel ratio to compensate for changes in air pressure and temperature. What is carburetor? A carburetor is a mechanical device that mixes fuel and air for an internal combustion engine. It's usually located above the engine's cylinders and is attached to the throttle cable. A carburetor, a device used by a gasoline internal combustion engine to control and mix air and fuel entering the engine. The primary method of adding fuel to the intake air is through the Venturi effect or Bernoulli's theorem in the main metering circuit, though various other components are also used to provide extra fuel or air in specific circumstances. Since the 1990s, carburetors have been largely replaced by fuel injection for cars and trucks, but carburetors are still used by some small engines, e.g. lawnmowers, generators, and concrete mixers, and motorcycles. How it works. The carburetor has a tube that allows air and fuel to pass through. The tube has a narrow section, called the Venturi, which increases the speed of the air passing through. This increases the velocity of the air, which creates a low-pressure area. The low-pressure area draws fuel from a jet near the Venturi. The mixture of air and fuel then enters the engine through the intake valve. Comparison of fuel injector and carburetor. Fuel pump. A fuel pump inside the tank pressurizes fuel. Electronic control unit, ECU. An ECU monitors parameters like engine speed and temperature to calculate the right amount of fuel to injector. Fuel injectors. Injectors spray pressurized fuel into the combustion chamber. Efficiency. Fuel injection systems are more efficient than carburetors because they atomize fuel more efficiently. Venturi effect. The carburetor uses the Venturi effect to mix fuel and air. Mechanical components. The carburetor uses mechanical components to control the ratio of air and fuel. Idle. The carburetor regulates the air-fuel mixture to maintain a smooth idle. Maintenance. Carburetors can be repaired on the side of the road. Thank you for watching.